Welcome to Healthy Primix. In this video, we are going to tell you how to remove super glue from your clothes and fabric. There are 3 steps to do so. Watch this video till end so you will not miss any important thing. Before starting, please subscribe our channel and enable notifications to stay updated. Let's start quickly. If the glue is dry, grab a spoon and carefully scrape the fabric to loosen off any hard chunks. Throw away any big pieces of glue into the trash. Nail polish remover contains acetone. Acetone breaks down super glue and helps dissolve it from surfaces. Dab a cotton swab with nail polish remover that contains acetone, then pat it onto the fabric. Nail polish remover has the potential to discolor and warp certain fabrics. If you are worried about your garment, test the acetone on a discrete corner of the fabric. If you notice any color changes, don't use this method. Instead, skip straight to the step number 3. Wet the fabric and then dab a small drop of laundry detergent onto the area. Use a clean cloth to scrub the detergent into the fabric. Then rinse the area well. If your garment is dry clean only, skip this step and take it to dry cleaners instead. Let your garment air dry instead of drying into the dryer. If there is any leftover glue, the dryer could set the stain deeper into the fibers of the fabric. You need to repeat this method 2 to 3 times to get desired results. If you have any feedback or question, write it down in the comment section. This was all for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.